Hey guys, Nicholas from Helmetkarts here. Today we have a tutorial on the Challenger series. Now here we have a 200X Challenger. There is also a 300X Challenger, but they are pretty much identical, just a different motor size. Now for this we will be using a manual forklift. You don't need one, but you may need to use some car jacks just to help you lift up the buggy. Now if you have a second pair of hands as well, that'll also help out. So yeah, let's get into the video. guys, that brings us to the end of the assembly for the 200X Challenger. If you've got a 300X Challenger, you should be at the same sort of point with this. Now, we do recommend you go over and do a once over on all your nuts and bolts, all your hardware. Make sure your suspension's in, wheels are nice and tight, steering wheel, all of that. This one here is pretty much ready for fuel now. We're going to do a cold start. You're going to get a gist of that as well. Now, we don't put the hubcaps on probably until after about 5 hours of running. Just that way you can make sure your caster nuts are tight. If you do need a tie, then make sure you do that. And yep, pretty much ready for a cold start now. We're going to show you what that's like so you get an idea of it. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we now have some fuel in this buggy. We've double checked the oil. We did have to add some oil. If you do need to add oil, we used 15W40 for it, so make sure you top up on that before you try to cold start it. So we're ready for the cold start, so we're going to give that a go now. Now you want to turn your ignition over. You should see power come to your dash. You want to double check all your buttons here. So you've got your hazards, your horn, that's your kill switch there, charge port. So that's your normal headlights, and then your light bar, as well as your indicators for left and right. Now, you want to make sure you're in neutral before you try to cold start and that your parking brake is up. You want to have your foot on the brake before you try to give it a go, and then you're pretty much ready to give it a first kick over. Now, sometimes it doesn't start off right off the bat, but give it a few goes, it should start up and you should be all good. So let's give it a go. Alright guys, this is what your buggy should sound like once it's cold started. You'll notice the revs are a little bit low, but of course you can give it a bit of gas. Pretty good. So, now that your buggy's all ready, you're pretty much good to drive it. Now, obviously double check all your nuts and bolts. Please follow us on the socials as well. It does help us a lot. Yep, if you're interested in this buggy, feel free to get in contact with us. We definitely have some stock available and ready to go. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.